Hello, and welcome to Modular 7, People First Language by Kelly Gatewood. The first thing that I would like to talk about is what is People First Language? People First Language is when the person is put before the disability, and the disability describes what the person has, not who the person is. Some of the language that we've used in the past that we need to no longer use is saying something like the handicapped or disabled. He's mentally retarded. She's autistic. He's Downs. She's learning disabled. He's quadriplegic or is crippled. She's emotionally disturbed or mentally ill. He's confined to a wheelchair. She's in special ed or sped kid. I feel like I hear that one a lot in school. He's developmentally delayed, normal, or healthy kids, is nonverbal, client, consumer, recipient, etc., birth defect, brain damaged, handicapped, parking, hotel room, etc., or she has problems with or has special needs. The language we should be using instead is people with disabilities, or he has a cognitive disability or diagnosis. She has autism. He has Down syndrome. She has a learning disabled. He has a physical disability. She has a mental health condition. He uses a wheelchair. She receives special ed services. He has a developmental delay. Children without disabilities communicates with her eyes, ears, or device, etc. People we serve, cognitive disability, brain injury, accessible parking, hotel room, etc. She needs or she uses. Just adding those few little extra words makes the whole statement sound different. And these are my resources. Have a good day.